Oh, welcome back here, and this is another one. The last one actually just did something stupid. So this is the last explosion that you'll see. What chemical reactions? There is the vinegar being poured into the cup, and we have Luke fighting. I can't tell who that is, but as you can see, there are some it's pretty cool. And here comes the explosion. This is messy, very messy, and especially super messy. Now that didn't say, but here it is. Luke, everyone here. The volcano. All the stuff. And now we got some tabs being put in. This makes it a little bit more foamy and stuff. And there we go. We got the big explosion. Oh, it's actually happening. Look at that. Wow. Isn't that just amazing? Remember to leave likes, comments, and if you would like, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with another video next week.